Want to turn your old, blurry videos into stunning, crystal-clear 4K masterpieces without a complicated editing setup? In this video, we are looking at UniFab AI, an incredibly easy way to upscale your videos in 2026. If you've ever tried traditional video editing software, you know how frustrating it is to deal with pixelated footage. That's where UniFab AI comes in. Accessible at unifab.ai, UniFab is an all-in-one video and audio enhancer designed to solve these quality challenges automatically. The best part is its flexibility. If you have a powerful computer, you can download their desktop tool to process your files locally with no limits. But if you're working on a basic laptop, they also offer Fab Cloud tools and web-based enhancers, meaning you can let their servers do the heavy lifting without needing an expensive GPU. Let's talk about the standout features. UniFab's core tool is the Video Upscaler AI. It allows you to upscale your footage to 1080p, 4K, 8K, or even 16K. It doesn't just stretch the pixels. It uses AI models to boost brightness, contrast, and sharpness, preserving the actual details of your video. Alongside upscaling, UniFab includes Denoise AI to eliminate grain from low-light footage, a colorizer AI to bring vintage black and white videos to life, and a face enhancer AI that sharpens facial features for lifelike portraits. Now, to be completely transparent, we have limited hands-on user review data for UniFab AI at the moment. However, looking at how the software is built, we can weigh some clear pros and cons. On the positive side, the choice between local GPU processing and cloud-based processing is a massive win for accessibility. You also get a highly versatile toolkit that handles everything from upscaling to audio enhancement in one place. On the downside, if you choose to process high-resolution 4K videos locally, it will likely require significant hardware power and time, which is typical for any heavy AI generation tool. Using it is incredibly simple. To upscale to 4K, you just open the Video Upscaler tool, upload your video, select 4K as your target resolution, choose your preferred AI model, and let UniFab enhance the details. If you want to try it out for yourself, UniFab AI offers a free download that's safe, clean, and a great way to test the features on your own footage. Head over to unifab.ai to get started. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more easy tech guides.